How to use DoorDash gift card. If you'd like to use your gift card on DoorDash, it's very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the DoorDash app, and then you also want to make sure that you sign into your account. Once you sign in, this is the type of interface you will see. What you want to do from here is tap on the Me icon from the bottom right. From the menu, simply go to Settings. Once you go to Settings, you can see various options over here. Look for the one that says Gift Cards and tap on it. Once you go to Gift Card, you will be taken to the page to buy a gift card. But to redeem a gift card, tap the Redeem icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Here, you can copy and paste or type in your gift card pin over here. Once you type in, tap on Redeem to your account button. Then once done, you will be able to redeem your gift card pin. This way you'll be able to redeem your gift card on DoorDash. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.